I'm just sitting down with this pen and pad. I'm never gonna quit, bitch, built to last. Cause I'm ripping beats and killing tracks. I snap backs and you a fitted cap. I'm always talking about my flows. But me, if you wanna show, I'm doing things double XL. I'ma need some bigger clothes. Had to let these niggas know. School's in, I ring the bell. They wanted me to spit a verse, so of course I had to show and tell. Niggas call me they Brody. Bitch, you don't even know me. Homie, let me speed it up, get shit real. I'ma drop more songs so I get a deal. So I'ma take a ball out and pay for our meals. Buy a house up on the hill next door to Uncle Phil, but a nigga still broke. No joke, I'ma make it out. I ain't tryna sell coke. I ain't talking about the Western show. How some niggas let the gun smoke. You think I'ma sell my soul? Ha, bitch, that's a no-no. People worship these idols till they come attack with God. Hoes is a disciple. You get mind fucked with these broads. Life is just a recital. Better remember all that you practice when I die. Throw a couple bad bitches in my casket, nigga.
Now you watching movies.